this software. So right now we're still in like the very early days, kind of like the early days of the computer industry. Personal computers weren't really for anybody and everybody at the early days. It was like the people that built the spreadsheet software, the word processing software, the games, right? The applications that then everyone else could take advantage of. And so these are really more development platforms where we're working towards more of like a consumer or prosumer friendly drone that every household and business will come to own and operate. Kind of thinking about it even just from a delivery perspective, instead of Amazon and Walmart, doing all the deliveries with their fleets of drones, you send your own drone from your house or business to the local Amazon locker or fast food restaurant, retail store.
That's about it, right?
So no, that's one of many applications, like watering your garden, fertilizing your yard, even having your kids go like play laser tag with it, or as you guys being kids, go play laser tag with it. And again, like a personal computer, can be used for recreation, work, and everyday just sort of household chores, right?
But is it going to be cheap though?
I mean, so right now our drones is $1,000 for the Developer Mini, $1,500 for the standard Developer. Our first consumer or prosumer grade drone will be about $3,500. But if you think about, again, instead of buying a car, like a second car, right, which you're just going to like pick up packages or pick up groceries, it makes a lot more sense to just have a drone that you can go on your behalf and not having to pay car insurance, gas, and everything. So it's really kind of a stopgap between a computer and a car that can kind of deliver the value of both.
I'd rather invest in a car because I want to go on the journey when I want to go somewhere.
Yeah, I think it's both, right? Because the times that you don't want to leave the house, right? Like even, I don't know if you cook or ever plan on cooking, but like you're cooking a meal, like your neighbor might have ingredients that you don't want to have to go run out to the store for. Send your drone out just even to the neighbor to pick up those ingredients. Or better yet, you can just send the drone to the store to pick up those ingredients, right? So it's allowing you to do more of what you want to do and have the drone do the rest.
All right, appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. How are you guys doing?